Hi guys, in front of me is iPhone on iOS 16 and let me show you how to teach Siri to use nicknames. So at first, open your phone dialer, select some contact that you wish to add this nickname to, and then tap on Edit. Now, under Company, enter the nickname, for example, Bunny, and tap on Done. And from now on, you don't have to ask Siri to call Andrew, but smoothly to call Bunny. Then it will just ask for the confirmation. So let me show you how it works. Hey Siri, call Bunny.
Just to confirm, you'd like to call Andrew Mobile.
Call.
Calling Andrew Mobile.
So that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.